So I got a package today from a gentleman that needs to have the mainspring housing cutouts machined on his pistol grips. Noticed a post that he had online, sent him a note, told him to send them to me, and I'll see what I can do with it. So there's his package. Let's open it up and see what his grips look like. Alright. Well, he definitely overpaid me, so I'm going to have to send that back. Whew, my gosh, those are pretty. Alright. I guess the first step is to swap out the grips I'm working on right now with these ones. In case you're wondering, that's what I'm working on at the moment. Alright, I was afraid this might happen. The geometry on these grips don't quite mate up with my jig, so I'm going to have to work on this for a minute and then cue you back in when I'm good to go. Okay, I'm back. I have the grips mounted on my jig here, and I've got some blue tape on it for two reasons. The first is to stabilize these grips a little bit, and the second is to hopefully reduce any splintering that this acrylic might be doing as it's getting cut. So I'll power up the machine and run the G-code, and we'll just see what happens. Alright, looks alright. Let's cut the other one and then we'll polish them both up. Alright, let's touch up these fresh cuts on the wheel and see what they look like. Alright, that worked very well. I'm quite happy with how those turned out. Well, my friend, they'll be back in the mail tomorrow. You'll get them back soon.